Okay, we're done putting beautiful cards into boring envelopes. If you've spent time making something gorgeous, then the envelope needs to match its energy. Let's level up and make beautiful envelopes. Let's go. Okay, so this is the mini Couture Creations scoring board. Very cute, very portable. You can take it anywhere you want. Now, let me show you how you can use this to make an envelope. First up, I'm going to turn it around, and it has all the instructions down here and the measurements. Now, I've already cut my paper to size at 22.5 by 22.5 centimeters. So it says scale mark 9.5. So all I need to do now is find my scale mark at 9.5, pop it against the edge, use my scoring tool that comes with it, and just mark a line. Okay, then you turn it, and then you push it up to the score guide here, line that up, mark it again, and again. Just measure it up to the score line there, another line, turn it around, let's measure it up, another line. That's how easy it is to make an envelope. We're going to cut out the little edges there. You'll never buy envelopes again once you see how easy it is to create beautiful envelopes. We put so much effort into our cards, yet we forget about our envelopes, what we can do with them. Now, I like to curve this. I just like to take off the edge there, but that's just a personal preference. If you like it pointy, that's okay as well. Okay, let's move all those little pieces out of the way. Now, you can easily just make this into an envelope and it's already gorgeous, but why not? Let's elevate it. So I'm going to use, I'll go with the heart there, and I'm just going to put the heart on the corner of my card, and I'm just using the end of my bone fold just to follow around that heart there. Isn't that gorgeous? So it comes with lots of patterns that you can choose from. I just did the heart to show you how that works. Now, I want to make the top of the envelope when you open it up a little bit special. So all I'm going to do is stick some nice paper there and cut it out. So you can glue this or you can use double-sided tape. I'm just going to use a little bit of double-sided tape. Just one down here. One over here. One down this side. Pull it back. Just like that. Then I'm going to go in with the paper. I'm going to try and keep it nice and even. Stick that down. Turn it around and cut that off there. I'm just going to go around the envelope like that. And around the curve. There we go. Okay. So now the envelope's ready. All I need to do is fold the ends in. I like to use my bone fold to get it nice and straight. Just like that. Now I'm going to also use double-sided tape again for the edges, but you can go in with glue. It's whatever you prefer. And on the other side, one there. Pull that off. And the other side. And then just stick that there. going to fold that down. So there's our first envelope. We've got the heart there. We've got some colored paper inside. It is much nicer than just a plain envelope. You can match your beautiful cards up with a beautiful envelope, just like that. Okay, let me show you another way you can use your scoring board to make an envelope. So I'm using my large scoring board right now, and I've got my piece of cardstock here. I'm going to go in at 4.5 and 9, and just a half down the edges on both sides, just like that. With the scoring board. Now all I need to do is cut out the edges. Just like this, and down that side. And down this side. And I also like to curve the edges there as well. It just gives it a finishing touch, I think. One more. There we go. So now I just want to go in and cut out a section there because I want to put a window using my acetate sheets, and I'll do that and I'll come back. Okay, so I've cut out the window, I've cut out my acetate sheet, and I just want to stick that part there. I'm going to use double-sided tape for this. So I'm using the thicker one on the sides. And I'm going to go in with the thinner one on the edges. Oops, one more piece here. One more there. Now let's pull these off. Oops, very sticky. And another one on this side. I just think you can make a statement with your envelopes instead of just using plain ones. And why not use the chance to show off some skills with the envelopes. Now I want to stick these flaps to the back of the envelope. Just one here. Oops. Another one here. Take that off. Peel that one off. And let's stick that down. So there's our beautiful window envelope. What I love about this, you can pop any beautiful card in here and show it off. I'll just slide that one in and look at that. You can see your pack of donuts. Gorgeous, isn't it? Now I also made the same design using the parchment vellum paper, and it comes out like that, stunning. So you can just see through your beautiful card. Now if you've also got the other options with decorating the backing, you also got the option of using a scoring board to make designs on the back of your envelope. Whatever you do, just don't use your generic envelopes anymore. They're just boring. You spend so much time making beautiful cards. Why not elevate your envelopes as well? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you back here next week. Bye.